Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is parameter and how to create a parameter in Tableau. So parameter is a workbook variable such as a number, date or a string that can replace the constant value in a calculation, filter or a reference line. For example, create a calculated field that returns true if the sales is greater than 40,000, otherwise returns false. You can replace the constant value 40,000 in the formula with a parameter. Then using this parameter control, you can dynamically replace the constant value in your calculation. So create a parameter to show top n customers by sale. So create a parameter as a number that replaces the constant value in a filter. So let's go to Tableau. So first I will drag sales into column shelf and customer name into row shelf. Click on add all numbers. So right click on this dimension and choose this filter. Now click on this top and click on by field. By default it will be 10. So click on this drop down and click on create parameter. You can also create this parameter from this data pane. Just click on this drop down. And you can able to see this option create parameter here, and you need to pass this parameter name in the filter. So but now I'm directly creating the parameter from filter. So click on top and by field and click on this drop down and choose this create new parameter, and I will name this parameter as top n, and current value is 10 by default, and give the range of values. Minimum is 1, and if I give 200 here, then we can select up to 200 customers from top n parameter. Then click on OK. And right click on this parameter, click on show parameter. So at top right you can see this parameter name top n. So you can move this slider up to 200. So if I choose 15, then the view is changed and it is showing top 14 customers by sales. So this is how to use a parameter in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.